Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. So today's video is actually a little bit different because this is going to be a DIY video, plus as you guys can see already that I have my makeup on and I had a really busy day today. But when I came back home and I was supposed to take off my makeup, I just realized that I actually ran out of my favorite oil-infused cleanser. And that's a panic attack moment for me because as a makeup lover, as a makeup wearer, a regular wearer, you have to make sure that you're taking off your makeup at the end of the day properly. Don't get me wrong that I don't have any other cleanser available with me right now, but this is a water-based cleanser and this was a oil-infused cleanser. The oil-infused cleanser actually cleanses out your face much more easily and it leaves your skin fresh and soothes the skin from all the distress that was going on throughout the day. Even though I ran out of my favorite cleanser, I still do have to cleanse my face, and that's when I actually came up with a great idea, and this is why I'm making this video, so I think this will be very helpful for you guys too. So the plan now is to make a DIY oil-infused cleanser which will help take off all the makeup from my face and also it will help regenerate my skin. For making this cleanser, of course, you will need a water-based makeup remover. And the most important thing, the olive oil, which will actually help your makeup remover transform into an oil-infused cleanser. So without any further ado, let's see how we can make this thing. I still feel like a scientist right now because I'm gonna mix all this thing together. It's not much, but still, I do feel like a scientist. So here is the thing that we will need first. This is the cleansing water. You can use any cleansing water, it doesn't matter. And then we have our olive oil, and then we need a clean container where we can actually make the product. So the first step is the micellar water or the cleansing water. I'm gonna take the cleansing water and I'm gonna pour it into the bottle. And the thing is that the amount of the cleansing water will be much more than the oil because you don't need that much of oil. So I've taken this much cleansing water and I'm gonna take about this amount of olive oil with this. Let's just pour it in. I think we have enough. Just lock the cap in. I can already pretty much tell that this thing is going to be working wonders in my face because you know olive oil is known for skincare since ancient times and it does contain anti-aging antioxidants, so it will really help to regenerate your skin. Do you see how beautiful this thing actually is looking? So this is as simple as it looks. Just mix them two in together and we have our own oil-infused cleanser. So I just use this olive oil and the micellar water, and now I'm gonna take off my makeup with this thing. Time to use the cleanser to clean my face right now. And before using this one, you can see this, the oil part and the cleanser part is separated, so make sure you shake it well before applying it. So I'm just shaking it and really well. And then take your cotton or wet wipe, apply the cleanser generously, and then let's just take out the makeup. Do you see how it easily just took off my eye makeup? And it's really gentle in your face too. As you guys can see, it even took off the waterproof mascara that I had on. So this is how I made the oil-infused cleanser with the olive oil, and I really hope this video was helpful for you guys and you guys enjoyed this one. So make sure to leave a thumbs up down below and also make sure to subscribe my channel if you already haven't, and also don't forget to hit the bell button because if you don't hit the bell button you won't be notified when I upload a new video. And also don't forget to follow me on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and also in Snapchat. And I will catch you guys again in my next video. Till then, you guys take care. Bye bye.